This kid is a fucking retard. I don't know what he's doing, but he starts to hit me, and like, this is theater lobby, by the way. But what's it called? He's up 2, and he still hits me. He just wants to start using his flutter. A little pussy. Alright, so I go down to 2 bar. Then I'm 1 barring. I'm just gonna press regular. I am lagging like shit right now, but it doesn't show it in what's it called? It doesn't show it. Like, I'm trying to move around and stuff, going up. He's hitting me. I can't even switch to. Getting flooded. Oh. Yeah. I guess. God damn. Yo. He automatically forfeits this map because I was on a 1 bar for more than 15 seconds and he didn't end it. So, I won anyways. But I go back up. Nice little fake 3 bar. Then back to a 1 bar. 1 bar. And then I finally go off. Oh, no. They had showed me timing out. Yeah. After being on the 1 bar for 15 minutes, I finally time out. Good game, Flutter. Report this kid. Get him kicked off GB. Thank you, CMRS.